everybody. Welcome to another week of breaks. We are doing baseball first, as usual. Got a jumbo box of Top Series 1 baseball, 1 autograph and 2 relic cards per box. And then 2 hobby boxes of Inception. Those are smaller boxes. All hits numbered to $2.99 or less, that's what it says. So I'm a big fan of Inception. I like the card designs, so I think it should be pretty fun. Thanks to everybody who joined. We're doing a giveaway for some slots, so let me get that going. Switching over to my desktop view here. I got a few spots since a few didn't sell. We're gonna run the giveaway for the paid spots though. So first 4 slots after randomizing this 10 times will get the giveaway slots. Alright, so it's Brian J, Michael A, and then Chris J with 2 of the spots. So congrats to those winners. And I'm going to randomize this whole list a bunch of times as well. 2 different sites. Doing this one 10 times right here. Gonna paste in the chat. And then I'll read everything off as well. Alright, so Brian J has the Diamondbacks, Anthony S gets the Braves and Orioles, Jake K gets the Red Sox, Chris J gets the White Sox, Michael A gets the Cubs, Dusty T gets the Reds, Brian J gets the Indians, Anthony S gets the Rockies, I've got the Tigers, Chris J gets the Astros and Royals, I've got the Angels, Jake R gets the Dodgers, I've got the Marlins and Brewers, Darren has the Twins, I've got the Yankees, Brian J's got the Mets, Jake K has the A's, Michael A has the Phillies, Ceci has the Pirates, Brad has the Padres, Brian J has the Giants, Anthony has the Mariners, Jake R has the Cardinals, Chris J has the Rays and Rangers, Brian J has the Jays, and Darren F gets the Nationals. Alright, best of luck to everyone. I'm going to start things off with the Series 1 box first. A lot of cards to go through here. Giant box. Alright, our first bonus pack. Very nice. That is what we're looking for. Wander Franco. Congrats to Chris on this bonus pack hit here. A Kyle Muller rookie card. Miggy and Francisco Lindor. And the second bonus pack, hopefully A numbered card in here. Nolan Arenado, Steven Strasburg, Shane Bieber, and Rafael Devers. No numbered card. Not bad getting the Wander out of that. Alright, here we go. Gonna scroll through the first bit of cards here. Let's see. Ivan Castillo rookie card. There's a Ronnie Dawson rookie card. Jake Myers, Pat Wisdom rookie cup. Arozarena rookie cup card. Luis Gill rookie card. Well, these cards are in reverse, but I don't think they're anything special. Future stars of Jazz Chisholm. Freddie Freeman, pick the game, call your shot card. Ronnie Dawson gold foil. 6 4-stars of Albies and Swanson, and a Wade Boggs insert. There's an Alex Wells rookie card, Eli Morgan rookie card, Matt Manning rookie card for the Tigers, Aaron Ashby for the Brewers. Here's the Vidal Brujan, base rookie for the Rays. Gotta get at least one Wander rookie card in here, I believe. There's Wander and that Slugger reunion card. Chas McCormick, rookie for the Astros. Bunch of cards in reverse here, including a duplicate. Brock Holt, Sal Perez, Schwarber, and them again. Chisholm. Foil card here is Keegan Aiken for the Orioles. 2021 Greatest Hits Aaron Judge, and a Miggy Cabrera insert. There's a Reed Detmers rookie card for the Angels. Mason Thompson rookie for the Nationals. Hoy Park for the Pirates. Zach Thompson for the Marlins. Rookie Cup Emmanuel Clase for the Guardians. Rodolfo Castro rookie for the Pirates. Zach Short for the Tigers. There's Shohei. Jarren Duran rookie for the Boston Red Sox. Gold foil here, Future Stars of Christian Pache. Braves card, he's now with the Athletics. Ronald Acuna and Josiah Gray, 35th anniversary insert. Haven't gotten to any of our hits yet. Zach Lowther rookie card for the Orioles. Tyler Stevenson rookie cup. There we go. Here's a Wander base card for the Rays. Wander's doing pretty well this season, so hoping to see the stock go up on his stuff. Jackson Kowar rookie card for the Royals. Shane McClanahan, Future Stars. And we got a redemption in here. You are due to receive a 1987 Topps baseball autograph card of Gavin Sheets of the Chicago White Sox. Not bad. Gavin's doing pretty well this season as well, I believe. That hit is going to Chris J. Congratulations, Chris. Got a Corbin Burns foil. Eddie Murray die cut. Ozzie Smith insert. So we still got 2 relics to go here. Don't think it's in this pack. You should have a numbered card at some point here. Future stars of Bobby Dahlbeck. There's Jake Berger, another White Sox player. Yan Gomes. Future stars Alec Manoah. Manoah's doing really well right now for the Jays. Tyler Gilbert rookie, and a foil here of Turner, Soto, and Harper. Trevor Rogers Generation Now, and a Xander Bogaerts insert. 5 more packs to go. Don't think there's a memorabilia card in there either. Matt Manning rookie card. Alex Wells, Eli Morgan. Another Matt Manning. That's interesting. Wish they would do that with Wander instead. That'd be nice. Lars Nootbaar rookie card. Cal Raleigh rookie card. There's a Sammy Long rookie for the Giants. And I guess we do have a memorabilia card in here. Major League Material, Chris Bryant for the San Francisco Giants. See what this foil card is below as well. It's Aroldis Chapman. Bryce Harper, flashiest feet, and a Sonny Gray insert. The Major League Material card is not numbered as well. Congrats to Brian J on getting that one. I think probably we have the Hometown Heroes, or sorry, gosh, I'm blanking on the name. The Hometown Flag card, I forget, I'm not sure. I don't think that's what they called exactly, but okay, we should get one of those as well. It's usually how they seem to do it. Here's a Rosarena. Kirilloff, Future Stars, Kyle Muller rookie, Zach Pop, Luis Gill, the Hometown Pride, Miami Pride, Jazz Chisholm for the Miami Marlins. Got a Wade Miley gold card as well. This Miami Pride's going to me, so I will just give it away to somebody who didn't get much when I'm sorting all these cards out. Tyler McGill rookie. McGill's doing really well. Andre Jackson for the Dodgers. There's another Gavin Sheets. Connor Wong, rookie for the Red Sox. Jackson Reitz. Here's Josiah Gray for the Nationals. Josiah Gray is a strikeout machine. Patrick Mazeka. Jake Cousins for the Brewers. Max Kranick for the Pirates. And gold card here, Fernando Tatis Jr. Not a bad one to get if we're going to get gold. Number 2, 2022. And it is 1878 of 2022. Higashioka, gold foil, and 2021 greatest hits rookie card. Oh, Wander. This box has been pretty generous to us on him. No complaints there. 2 more packs to go. Future stars are Jared Kelenic, Anthony Bender, rookie for the Marlins. There's Ivan Castillo. Maybe we'll get another Franco here. Brujan. Andrew Vaughn, future stars. Here's a Slugger reunion card with Franco. Chas McCormick. Stuart Fairchild. Manuel Rivera, rookie. And Zach Lowther, rookie card. Black. For the Baltimore Orioles, number 271. Really like the look of the black refractors a lot. I think that's my favorite parallel color. So just getting a black paper parallel here. Zach Lowther for the Orioles. Rookie card going to Anthony S. Congratulations, Anthony. Will Smith foil card. Welcome to the show, Joey Votto, and a Chris Bryant insert there at the bottom. And our last Series 1 pack here. Future stars Pache, Curtis Terry rookie card. Aaron Ashby rookie. Luke Williams rookie card for the Phillies. Trevor Rogers rookie cup. Kirilloff future stars. Foil of Nick Solak. Welcome to the show of Derek Jeter, and a Jackie Robinson insert. That wraps up those Series 1 boxes. Let's get on to Inception. I'm going to go ahead and open up both boxes here. Alright. Let me get some thick sleeves ready here. I feel like we will definitely need those. Alright, got a Jacob deGrom, Whit Merrifield. Autograph is Greg Deichmann for the Chicago Cubs, number 299, 98 out of 299. Beautiful looking autograph. So I'm trying to take this card out without revealing the next one, but let me just go ahead and reveal it. Got a pink of Jose Ramirez for the Indians, sorry, Guardians now. Congrats to Michael A. on the Deichmann autograph. Jose Ramirez got a green of Dansby Swanson. That is not low. Very nice. O'Neal Cruz base rookie. And a Gavin Sheets base rookie. O'Neal Cruz was not in Series 1. But he's definitely one of the higher end prospects around. Another Gavin Sheets rookie card for us as well. So not bad on the rookies, not the best autograph. I really like the card stock on these cards, it all looks pretty smooth. Gonna pull some base cards at the back to the top. Got a Matt Vierling base rookie card. Got Luis Robert for the White Sox. Kyle Lewis, and our autograph should be up next. Oh, and I'm wrong. So our autograph's a parallel. I missed that there's 3 parallels in here. Cedric Mullins for the Orioles, so this should probably be our autograph. It's pink. Gavin Lux, numbered to 99 for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Not a rookie card. Gavin's starting to get more playing time though, so that's good. I got a green parallel below. Brandon Crawford. Let me go ahead and get this Gavin Lux. And a top loader. The card condition of these Inception cards is really good. In the past, I think they've had some issues with chipping and such, but let's say these look like they're in pretty good shape. And our last card of the break. Another Dodger, Max Scherzer. Green parallel. So we'll recap real quick. A nice O'Neal Cruz base rookie card. The Chisholm Miami Pride. Chris Bryant relic. Tatis Gold. Really nice Zach Lowther black parallel numbered to 71. Then 3 nice Wonder cards. Gavin Lux autograph. Greg Deichmann autograph. And the Gavin Sheets from Series 1. So congrats to everyone who hit. Definitely not bad for the Wander spot. Wish we got a little bit better autographs, but it's the risk with these Inception products is that they're pretty hit or miss. So if we open it up, hopefully next time we'll have some better luck. And yeah, next week we're running 2022 Bowman first edition boxes. So opening up 2 hobby boxes of that one next week. That should be on the website later tonight, so please come check that out and join us, and we'll look forward to having you. And if you're just here for the baseball break and heading out, hope you have a good rest of the week, and we'll see you next time. Take care.